Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic Alternator. Before we begin, always prioritize safety. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. The alternator is usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for everyone. Next, we will disconnect and remove the old alternator. First, use a wrench to release the tension on the serpentine belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. With the bolts out, you can gently lift the old unit away. Now it is time to install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into the mounting brackets, aligning the bolt holes. Insert and securely tighten all the mounting bolts. Typically there are 2 or 3. Reconnect the main power wire and all other electrical connectors firmly. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto the pulleys, ensuring it is properly seated and tensioned according to your vehicle's specifications. For our final steps, we will perform some crucial checks. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery warning light should be off. Use a multimeter to confirm your charging system is producing around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Listen for any unusual sounds from the new alternator or belt. This ensures a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.